Today I have an unboxing of an order from Ecuagenera. So I actually placed this order as part of their Mother's Day sale at the beginning of May, and I forgot to email them and confirm that I had paid them. So it wasn't shipped out until Memorial Day and arrived today from Florida. So they are currently shipping UPS ground, and this is the last general orchid order that I put in before I realized how many plants I had, because I brought everything outside. And I made a resolution, so my summer resolution is that I am not going to buy any more orchids except for Richard Mueller crosses. So that's my resolution. This was ordered before the resolution, and hopefully it will be the last one that breaks the resolution. So here we go. So this isn't just orchids. It is hopefully very small orchids, and it's a whole bunch of Tillandsia, because I thought I would expand the variety of Tillandsia that I have. I've also killed a few Tillandsia by doing things like not watering them. So let's see how this goes. All right, so first off, here's a Tillandsia. This is Tillandsia recurvata. Hopefully, it's a little bit, the light's a little bit bright. I looked up all of these. I tried not to buy any Tillandsia that when I looked at them, they were really like huge. Okay, so let's more Tillandsia. All right, this is Tillandsia electorum, I believe, electorum. Okay, let's get it out of the sunlight. It's easier to see. This, keeping the tags on these will be interesting. Tillandsia distica. These are big Tillandsias. Oh, this is huge. All right. This is Tillandsia floribunda. It's gigantic. I think there's two of them in here, actually. Yeah, I think there's two of them in here. And then I have some more. I ordered a lot of Tillandsia. I think half my order is Tillandsia. Oh, look at this. This is really cool. It's like this long, curvy Tillandsia. This is funkiana. Tillandsia funkiana. We're getting to orchids. So I like to take Tillandsia and just grow them like on top of my big standard cattleyas. And they generally, well, a lot of them do well. This is Tillandsia bulbosa. I like the weird spirally patterns on it. And then, let's see, Tillandsia cerulean. I think it's supposed to have blue flowers. I can get it to bloom. I can't get all my Tillandsia to bloom. And then Tillandsia stramenia. So I love how air plants are like fuzzy, and I really wanted to do this. So then, of course, I killed all my Cuthbertsonia and Cuthbertsonia like hybrids. So what did I do? I used the sale to get some more, and the goal with these is they are not going to go outside. They're going to stay inside. I'm going to grow them on my northern windowsill in my kitchen, which is where I have the Dendrobium nagomi that I got from Ecuagenera 3 years ago, and it did bloom this year. And basically I water them when I wash the dishes. So this is Mountain Butterfly Kisses Pink right here. And okay, I think the little cups they send them in are really cute. So and it's in bloom. So the only thing that's hard about taking these out is they very ingeniously, okay, so they stick like a wire through the container and then they tape it shut so, you know, the stuff doesn't jostle around. I think it's just such a great way to ship these. But this is Butterfly Kisses Pink. Look at how big the flowers are. These are much larger. Those have Cuthbertsonii shape, but they are just much bigger. So I'm hoping that these Cuthbertsonii hybrids will be able to do better in warmer weather like I have, because I can't seem to keep it cool enough in the summer or the winter here for straight Cuthbertsonii. Wow, they're all in bloom. Okay, so this is Cuthbertsonii red, right here. Let me undo it. Okay, so, let's compare the two sets of flowers. Whoops, I didn't just crush that flower. Look at these flowers. So this is the Mountain Butterfly Kisses, and this is Dendrobium Cuthbertsonii red. And you can just see that the Mountain Butterfly Kisses flower is just so much larger than the Cuthbertsonii flowers. But here's a red one. So I did buy one of these because I forgot I had ordered one of these from Ecuagenera. Or when I ordered from Ecuagenera, I forgot I had bought one from High Desert Orchids. So now I have two, which will give me twice the number of chances to kill one. I don't know why I'm putting little cups on, probably because I'm thinking I won't damage the flowers this way, which is probably just a great big lie. Just a big lie. I'm probably going to crush all the flowers anyways. But we're going to pretend we won't. I can't actually get that one back on. Alright, we'll use it. Alright, then we have, so like, see this one, the cup got crushed a little bit, but the plant is all fine. So this one's not, this is Pepe. I had a Pepe, I killed a Pepe. So this is Cuthbertsonii var Pepe. It is supposed to be, I think, red and yellow. And it's also in this little cup. Oh, it's got a bud. Look at that, it's got a bud. The sad thing is I am pretty sure the Pepe I bought from them 3 years ago was much bigger and I already murdered it. All right, this is another cross. This is Mingle Sapphire. And look at the big pink flower. So this is just basically me. Even after I said that I was done with Cuthbertsonii, I was like, oh look, Ecuagenera is having a sale. I can try again for like 20% off. Oh, that was not as good. I just like yanked the lid against the flowers. So here's, yes, I damaged that flower just a little bit. Here's Mingle Sapphire. And I can't remember. Oh, I'm sorry. This is Mingle Sapphire crossed against Cuthbertsonii. I think it was, yes, this flower came off. 1, 2, 3. All right. And then I got, okay, yes, this is another replace. So I think This is Ozzy's High Low, and they had it in 2 colors that were like bicolors, but unfortunately, I think that now they only have it in a solid, which is another Cuthbertsonii hybrid, of which I don't know what the other parent is. It's amazing, these are all in bloom. But I guess it's not surprising because my Nagomi is in bloom right now. All right, so then this right here is Shooting Paradise. It says Shooting Paradise crossed to Cuthbertsonii. Though I could have sworn that these are just all Cuthbertsonii crosses. Let me look at the label of the Butterfly Kisses. No, that one just says Butterfly Kisses. So these are all crossed Cuthbertsonii. And then this one, it's another Cuthbertsonii cross, I can tell. So I have 2 things in here that are not Cuthbertsonii crosses. I will do them last. So this is Dendrobium Illusion. So I like the shape of the Cuthbertsonii flowers. I just wish that I wasn't so hot in my growing. All right, so then we have a Rupiculus Laelia. I got Laelia cincorna to try out. I tried to pick a warm growing Rupiculus Laelia, which apparently I can't find the beginning of the opening here. Oh, hello, Pinto. Here's Pinto right there. Don't eat the air plants. At least they're still in their plastic bags. So here's Laelia cincorna. And then finally, Pinto, you're in the way here. I have Brassolalia aristocrat crossed to Digbyana. So here's the thing, is that I really want to grow Digbyana, but I have been unable to get Digbyana to bloom. I can bloom aristocrat, so I thought maybe if I got an aristocrat crossed back onto Digbyana, because aristocrat is Digbyana crossed to Glauca, then I'll bloom it. So let's see what this looks like from Ecuagenera. Pinto, don't you dare eat those. I don't need you to eat them. This is why I was going to put the lids back on. He does eat flowers. Oh, look at this. Look at how big it is. And it has a new growth right here. The roots look really dry. Sad but true. But hopefully we'll pot it up and it will be awesome. I got an amethyst aglossa from them, and the little new growth that it came with died, but it's putting out another new growth now. So I don't know, it's got a sheath right here. Oh, but the sheath looks empty. I don't see anything in it. So hopefully I'll get that frilly Digbyana. So that was the goal with this. So there we go. That is my last non-Richard Mueller purchases for the summer.